One of the best diving spots around Ndole Bay is Chimba Rocks. The shallow part of this habitat is a mix of rocks and sand that slowly descends and transitions into an area of shells and sand. These electric bluefish are not cichlids, they are killifish. The further one gets from Ndole Bay or Nsumbu National Park, the more evident it becomes the effects of the lack of protection. Although the fish are present, the underwater landscape looks somewhat barren when compared to the more protected zones. One of the species that seems to manage to occupy the parts most effectively by fishing is the black variabilichromis. Maybe the fact that they are not mouth brooders is in some way related to this ability to adapt to the overfishing pressure. The areas surrounding the rock walls have the richest biodiversity, and a wide variety of cichlids can be seen cruising in all directions. Very few species seem to hold and defend territories. One of those few is the Cyatopharynx. They build their nests either on the sand or on top of flat rocks. In both situations, the sand nest takes the shape of a bower. The spawning occurs in the crater, which provides more privacy for the couple. The bower walls also keep the eggs from scattering before the female catches them in her mouth. While nature was able to produce an incomparable diversity of shapes and behaviors in a relatively short time in this lake, it somehow seems to have forgotten about color. Even the Cyatopharynx, arguably one of the most beautiful fish in Lake Tanganyika, has subdued dark colors with metallic accents. Moving away from the shore, fish become harder to see, as the rocks disappear and shells begin to take its place. The shellbeds take the shape of streams running towards the deep and are mainly inhabited by small populations of Neolamprologus multifasciatus.